Dear students, today I am going to teach you about rationalization. What is a rationalization? परिमयीकरण क्या है? I am going to write a definition of rationalization and I explain it to give some examples. Rationalization. Suppose we are given a number whose denominator is irrational. Then converting it into decimal expression whose denominator is rational by multiplying its denominator and numerator is called परिमयीकरण। यदि हमें एक ऐसी संख्या दी हुई है जिसका हर डिनोमिनेटर जो है सो इरेशनल है, तो इस संख्या को √3 को रेशनल बनाने के लिए हमें जिस संख्या से ऊपर नीचे गुणा किया जाता है यह क्रिया परमेयीकरण कहलाती है। हमारा एक एग्जाम्पल है, जैसे 1/√3, इफ यू हैव टू रेशनलाइज then 1/√3 is equal to 1 into √3 by √3 into √3. If we multiply by √3 in its numerator and denominator, we get √3 by 3, where 3 is rational. This process is called रेशनलाइजेशन, परमेयीकरण। मान लो कि हमें एक ऐसी संख्या दी हुई है जिसका डिनोमिनेटर हर अपरिमेय है, तो इस अपरिमेय को परमेयी बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, इसी संख्या से इसके अंश और हर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तब जो हमें फ्रैक्शन मिलता है, प्राप्त होता है, वह इस क्रिया को परमेयीकरण क्रिया कहते हैं। आई एम गिविंग यू सम एग्जाम्पल्स टू वेरीफाई एज फॉर क्वेश्चन 1, एग्जाम्पल।
हेलो,
Rationalize the denominator of rationalize the denominator of 1/3 plus √2. The question is rationalize the denominator of 1/3 plus √2.
12 या 13 देखिए, ये बन गया 12 या 13 रुपया।
We have
नहीं ना, 1200 रुपया, 1200 आप कर सकते हैं।
we have 1/3 plus √2 is equal to, we multiply 1/3 plus √2 by 3 minus √2. If we multiply by 3 minus √2 in its numerator and denominator, we get 3 minus √2 by 3 square minus √2 square is equal to 3 minus √2 by 9 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus √2 by 7. If we are given a number whose denominator is 3, then rationalizing we multiply 3 minus √2 by its numerator and denominator. Here I multiplied 1/3 plus √2 by 3 minus √2 into its numerator and denominator. We get 3 minus √2 by 3 plus √2 into 3 minus √2 is equal to 3 square a plus b into a minus b बराबर a square minus b square बराबर 3 minus √2 by 9 minus 2 बराबर 7. Example 2. Rationalize rationalize the denominator of rationalize the denominator of 1 by here is a second example of rationalization. Example 2 is rationalize the denominator of 1 by 8 plus 5 root 2. We have 1 by 8 plus 5 root 2. Here denominator is an irrational number, so we multiply its numerator and denominator by 8 minus 5 root 2. Multiplying 8 minus 5 root 2 5 root 2, we get 1 into 8 minus 5 root 2 by 8 plus 5 root 2 into 8 minus 5 root 2 is equal to 8 minus 5 root 2 by 8 square minus 5 root 2 का स्क्वायर is equal to 8 minus 5 root 2 by 64 minus 50 is equal to 8 minus 5 root 2 by 14. Hence, rationalizing number is 8 minus 5 root 2 by 14. Example 2, we have given 1 by 8 plus 5 root 2 and we have to rationalize its denominator. So we multiply 8 minus 5 root 2. We get 1 into 8 minus 5 root 2 by 8 plus 5 root 2 into 8 minus 5 root 2 is equal to 8 minus 5 root 2 is equal to 8 square minus 5 root 2 का square बराबर 8 minus 5 root 2 by 64 minus 5 root 2 का square बराबर 50 is equal to 8 minus 5 root 2 by 14. Next example, denominator of 1 by root 6 plus root 2. We have to rationalize we have 1 by root 6 plus root 2 1 by root 6 plus root 2 is equal to 1 root 6 minus root 2 by root 6 plus root 2 into root 6 minus root 2. Rationalizing 1 by root 6 plus root 2, we multiply 1 by root 6 plus root 2 by root 6 minus root 2 into root 6 minus root 2. We get root 6 minus root 2 by root 6 का square minus root 2 का square is equal to root 6 minus root 2 by 6 minus 2 बराबर root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Here 4 is rational and this is your answer. So rationalizing a number, we multiply the given number by its opposite sign. If the sign of denominator is plus, we multiply its numerator and denominator by root 6 minus root 2. Here denominator is root 6 plus root 2, so we multiply its numerator and denominator by root 6 minus root 2. After multiplying, we have root 6 minus root 2 by a plus b into a minus b बराबर a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर बराबर रूट 6 का स्क्वायर माइनस रूट 2 का स्क्वायर बराबर रूट 6 माइनस रूट 2 बाय 6 रूट 6 का स्क्वायर 6 माइनस रूट 2 का स्क्वायर 2 is equal to root 6 minus root 2 by 4. In this way, I can rationalize any number. Next exercise, some problems are given rationalization. So applying this method, you can rationalize. Any problem you can ask me in next class. Tomorrow I will start this exercise, next exercise. Thank you.